I've been looking for storage and display solutions for my loose diecast collection, and I partnered up with Temu. If you haven't already got a Temu account, you can type my code into the search bar and you can get a £100 coupon. Temu has quality products at affordable prices with free shipping and free returns. If there's something you're looking for, I can guarantee you'll be able to find it on Temu. And I've got a load of different items here ranging from a couple of pounds to over £50, and they're all different ways to store and display my loose diecast. So yeah, let's get them on the desk and see what you can get from Temu, guys. And just to get our loose diecast display started, we've got a nice big car park that was all rolled up. It'll just need a little bit of flattening down to look pristine, but it's absolutely huge. Can park up our cars. And it's made out of that same material, you know, like mouse mats are made out of. Really good quality, definitely looks the part. You've got your roadside here and a load of parking spaces, which will fit a ton of cars on. We've got 2 sets of 12 parking spaces on both sides and 18 spaces in the center as well. Loads of little street markings up and down here. We do have a box junction here as well, so don't be entering that if your exit isn't clear. This one's called the New York Parking Mat. It's a great foundation to what we're trying to achieve today with a loose diecast car display. Check this out, guys. It's a 60 car wooden wall display storage. So you can start putting the cars in and they fit perfectly. 64 scale diecast cars. Pre-built as well it comes, which is great because you don't always get these things pre-built. So it does come with a pair of hangers as well on the top side here. So you can just put it up on the wall with these hooks, which also come in the pack as well. You just nail these onto the wall and yeah, jobs are good and hang it up. And something I do like is that it's bare wood, so you could paint it as well. I'll probably paint it black myself. I've got everything black in here. Maybe white, I don't know yet. But yeah, I think that's an awesome showpiece for your loose diecasts. Not only are you going to want to keep your diecast cars displayed nicely, you're also going to want to store them and protect them as well. I've seen a lot of people's paint and decals chip off the diecast cars. So I did manage to pick up tons, so, well, actually a ton, 100 plastic protectors. And these actually work out to 10p a piece. I think it was around £10 for this box of 100. Might be hard to see because it's completely transparent, so you can look at your protected card easily. Look at that, guys. We have a protected car for 10p. You can't go wrong, can you, guys? Flipping heck. Yeah, these things are great for keeping your diecasts protected, so even if you drop them on the floor, they're not going to chip and take the paint off, a lot like this one has on. You can see at the front there all the red paint gone. But yeah, I love this Porsche because it's a childhood memory. Really easy to pop up, just like I showed you before. Just squish it into shape, pop the tabs down, click it in. Because it's that soft plastic material, it's not going to scratch any of your cars. We get a bit of a more premium car here, the Koenigsegg. Very nice. Yeah, really good purchase. Very happy with that, especially for the price as well. Fantastic. Would highly recommend to any loose diecast collectors if they want to protect the cars. I'll even do one more very quickly. Pop it all together, pop the tabs down. There you go. Perfection. Very nice. Right, well, this one is the biggest and heaviest package, and I think it's the most expensive one as well. Let's open it up and check out what it is. So yeah, you can see this is a multi-story car park that's made out of some really solid wood. Very nicely printed, and I definitely wanted something like this for my diecast car display. Right, so I think I know how this is all going to go together. We've got a few different base units here that are going to stack up and make our multi-story car park. We've got a few of these wooden sticks with the parking pillars on them. Yeah, let's see how all this works and goes together then, guys. We've got some plastic barriers for the sides of the car park. So yeah, you can see on the post that they've got the holder for these screws to go in on each end. So this is how tall it's going to be. Flipping heck. It's massive. And let's start dropping in these parking pillars. So there we go, we've got all the pillars and the full barrier on the base. Perfect, so we've got a 2-story car park at the moment. We've got our 5-story car park. Let's try putting some die casts on it and see how it looks. I'll put this one up here. Oh, nice, it doesn't roll off. That is what I was worrying about, guys, that they'd just be rolling all over the place, but no. This is perfectly steady and really level. So yeah, fantastic. And I think it looks great as well. You've got the little road at the front with exit and P for parking. And you've also got all the parking spaces numbered up as well. Very, very cool. I'm really impressed with this. Now there is a little bit of wood shavings that have come off here, but with a quick blow, it's all nicely cleaned up. Beautiful. Now when we're talking protectors, I do like the stackable protectors, and Temu do these as well. Let's open it up. So yeah, we've got some really nice stackable protectors here. They open up just like this, and you can pull them off and put them back on. They're very, very sturdy when you lock them in place, so I won't pull these ones off, but you can see the ridges here where they click into on the top and on the bottom as well, where they hook around these little bits of plastic and snap in place. So you could get a load of these and stack them all together and have a big display with your cars protected inside of these little windows here. The plastic is a lot harder than some of the soft plastics from the little 10p cases. So this is a bit more of a substantial protection for your best diecast. Just move this out of the way. So yeah, if I grab a couple of these cars off the car park, I'll show you how it works. So you just open the window at the front, pop your car in. And a really good thing about these ones is that even though the car will roll a little bit to the back and front, they do have these little plastic ridge squares here, so the cars do stay pretty central in the display. So yeah, let's pop some cars in. Very nice, and another great price as well. I think they look great, guys. What do you reckon? Pop these over here. Another little box. Let's see what's in this one. Ah, now this one's the little diorama display, which is encased in an acrylic see-through box. This is great, guys. Let me get the wrapping off of this. Now check this out. It's a little cherry blossom and bench scene where you can pop your die-cast car on this side. Let me pop it over here. Maybe if I put it on top of bring the box over for that so you guys can see it a little bit better. And let's open up the case. We'll grab a cool car. It's gonna have to be something JDM. Let's go for the Datsun 240Z. And now we're parked up on the grass. Look at this, guys. What a cool little scene that is. And for less than £20, how awesome is that? And you could get a little minifigure as well and pop them here. You know, the 64 scale miniature figures. I don't actually have any, so I can't show you that, but yeah, this is wicked. We'll pop that over here. And let's see what else we've got, guys. We have a couple of these brown parcels. And this one, I believe, there's nothing else in there, is a dealership. So we've got a little base unit here. It says car showroom, and that's where we're gonna add our little dealership. Right, so it looks like we just have a little bit of sellotape to peel off around the edge, double-sided tape. Peel it all the way around. Oh, it's very, very sticky, guys. We've got a little showroom. And if I steal another car off here, we've got an inside. We do have a roof that we can put our diecast cars through. Also got a little road here and some parking spaces as well. Very easy to put together and not bad at all for £10, is it, guys? Ah, yeah. This is another little car park, but it does have walls as well. Couple of photos on this wall. They look cool. Definitely adding to the theme. We've got some graffiti on this wall here. Very nice. OMG, no rules, and just another wall as well. So these two walls should just go on the edges, both sides here. These feel very substantial as well. It's not like it's flimsy cardboard, quite strong. We got that double-sided sticky tape again on the bottom. See, it's kind of bringing a little scene together. Very cool. They roll nicely on the material too. But yeah, this is a great little city street graffiti vibe going on this car park. And I think this display does look fantastic for what it is. This would actually be great for those diecast photographers who like to make things look realistic. Really do like this little scene. Right, on to the next one, guys. Last but definitely not least is this miniature garage scene. Let's open this up, guys. This is more of a premium product. Let's have a see what we've got inside here. This one feels really substantial, and it does come with a wire as well, guys, because we will be able to light this one up. So let's get this unpackaged and see how easy it is to put together. Right, well, we've got the scene set up. Let's try plugging it in. Another really easy to set up product, and it looks great, doesn't it, guys? I think the checkered floor looks fantastic. We've also got some alloys on the wall there as well, and some tires too. Loads of different colors of spray paints, it looks like. So yeah, awesome. Looks great. So yeah, whether you're wanting to spend a little bit or a lot, I think that you have definitely got all bases covered when buying through Temu. Really fun putting all this together. Very happy with the way everything looks. I'm now gonna have to figure out where to start putting this on my shelves and on my desk and everything. I do have my Temu affiliate link in the description if you wanna have a little bit of a discount, and it also supports the channel. But yeah, what do we think? What was your favorite display, guys? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.